Alright guys, I ain't gonna lie, I have not drove the C10 since changing the flip kit. So I'm about to pull it out. Hopefully it starts. I'll let it sit here for a long time, or long periods at a time. Gonna let it warm up and then I'm gonna pull it out and we're gonna go for a ride. Close the garage right quick. I'm not gonna lie, I try to drive it on my days off. I'm off Mondays and Tuesdays, so I try to drive it around a little bit because I do let it sit for long periods at a time. But the weather's been not the best lately, so I've been sitting. Take it for a ride right quick. I haven't really got to feel the difference with the new shocks and the flip kit. Well, the flip kit should make a difference with the shocks. It should. I've been really thinking about putting them shackles on here. But if I do that, then I have to take off the bump stops, and those are riveted on. It just sounds like a lot of work right now. How many miles I have on here? 475. So I have 475 miles on the LS swap since putting it in, and thankfully it hasn't gave me any issues. But I'm not gonna lie, for the first 200 I was nervous since me and my dad put it in. See if I can roll the windows up. I do need to get this window fixed because it does not like rolling up. I can't wait to get all this wind noise fixed in here. But I'm waiting to replace all the weather stripping whenever I get the truck painted. I don't want to put all the new stripping on it, then it gets overspray all over it. But yeah, I'm going to drive a little bit, I'm going to pull over, and then I'll get a ride. Alright, hopefully y'all can hear me through all that wind noise, but the weather stripping in this truck is horrible. Well, pretty much in any C10 honestly with the vent windows, but this weather stripping is all dry rotted and everything. And something is getting on my nerves right now. I'm pretty sure something with these cheap door panels they put in here. I don't know if y'all can hear it like squeaking, like rubbing like plastic on plastic. I'm about to pull up to my dad's house right now. Whenever I pull out, I'll show y'all how cheap these door panels are. Because I don't know what's making that noise, but it's annoying. But yeah, I'm about to pull up and then I'll show y'all. Alright, I don't know what was making that noise. You can kind of hear it, and that's the noise I was hearing. But these door panels are just so cheap. I think it has the original armrest, but you can tell, don't mind all the dirtiness. I've never cleaned this truck since I bought it, and that's over a year ago. Like, they look good from afar, but when you get up on them, you can just tell just plastic. I want to get the OEM ones or something close to it, because I actually hate this billet too. As you can tell, we already took it off the dash. I just hate it. And then they put some cheap screws in it. So whenever we get to the interior, that will be addressed. Right now the interior looks okay, especially, you know, you got to give it that 10 feet away. But yeah, I don't know what was making that noise. I actually might do it right now, or I gotta change the oil on the Suburban, but I think after that, I've been meaning to touch up that steering shaft. It's been bothering me, so I think I might do that right now. I think I got some cardboard in the bed. I'm gonna just cover all I can. Start painting all this, but it's still super dirty. I'm not lying when I say I haven't washed this truck since I bought it. I bought it in October last year, and I've never washed it, never cleaned it. Look at all the, I don't know if you can see all the dirt on the bed cover, but that'd be a later day thing. I'm actually changing the oil dipstick and the transmission dipstick so it can blend in more, at least. I guess technically it's only the actual dipstick that's yellow, and all this blends in already. But I think it'll look better if it was like a braided. So I think I'm gonna order those. Yeah, I'm about to change the oil on the Suburban right quick. But we'll get back to it. Alright, let's see what I gotta cover up. I think I can get a cardboard under there. I'm not really too worried about the firewall or the brake boost or anything like that. Just really don't want to get it overspray on the CVF kit. It's really all that matters. But yeah, let's get some cardboard so we can get this prepped up to paint. Alright, so I got it pretty covered. I got this 400 grit sandpaper, and this is pretty much what I painted the whole engine bay with. Well, I think we used a different type on the firewall, if I'm not mistaken, but it looks the same because it's so dirty. But yeah, this is what I paint the frame with. We usually paint everything with this. So yeah, I'm gonna get it prepped up and then hopefully spray it. Alright, all finished up. Let's see if I can take y'all around. Still all wet, but better than what it looked like. But yeah, that's about it. Like I said, I'm gonna order that oil dipstick, the transmission dipstick, and what else? There was one more other thing that I was gonna order, but I can't remember. Oh, you know what? It's this right here. Look. I don't know if y'all can see the radiator mounts. My dad had just made some off some old ones that we had. I need to go online and see if they make some like adjustable ones or something like that, just so they can look a little bit better than these. These do the job though, so I ain't crying about it, but just to clean it up a little bit. But yeah, that's about it for this video. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.